So when you're on your Fire Stick or even your Android TV, your Google Box, whichever device you're on, you're fairly limited to how many app stores you can use. Okay? Fire Sticks, which we're demonstrating on now, you have the Amazon App Store. Only apps which are in the Amazon App Store you can get on your device. Android TV, Nvidia Shield, on boxes, that sort of thing, you only get the Google Play Store. So I'm going to show you how you can get loads more app stores on your device. And we're going to make it really quick, really simple. First thing you're going to do is hit that follow button, and also let me know in the comments what device you currently use, and we can try and see what sort of app store you may be looking for as well. And if anyone's after any giveaways or raffles, we have loads on the website, so do check them out. They will be pinned in the pinned comment and in the description underneath as well. Okay, so we're going to do this two ways. First way we're going to do it is with Firesend. Everyone's going to moan, oh, another Firesend video. No, this isn't another Firesend video. This is a video about app stores, and Firesend is the tool we're going to use to get those app stores. Then I'm going to show you how you can do it with Downloader as well, for those who prefer to use Downloader. Okay, so magnifying glass, you're going to search Firesend, Firesend. Click that, and then you can install it, okay? Once it's installed, it's worth making sure that you can install apps from unknown sources, okay? Same as you will need for Downloader as well. So let's get Downloader installed as well. So we've got both for those who want it. So magnifying glass, go to Downloader, Downloader, click it, and also install that one as well, okay? Make sure it looks like the one I'm highlighted on. Perfect. Once those are installed, we will go to our settings. This is a key part a lot of people miss and a lot of people don't tell you about. Go to your settings, go to My Fire TV, and you need to go to developer options. If you do not have developer options, click on where it says about, and the top option, click that 7 times. This will make you a developer. You'll see it coming along the screen at the bottom. You are now a developer. So go back one screen to this one, and you have developer options. If you do not have developer options there, or in here you do not have these settings, you own a Fire Stick which you cannot sideload or jailbreak, okay? That means you bought a Fire TV Select and just send it back. Right, from here, you click on Install Unknown Apps, and you're going to turn it on for Firesend, so it's on, and turn it on for Downloader, okay? Once those are turned on, that means both the applications we've installed are now allowed to install other apps. Perfect. Right, Firesend version. You're going to go to Firesend, click it and open it. If you don't see it there, you can search it, or it'll be under here in your apps, My Apps, find Firesend in here, open it. Once it's open, it will tell you if your VPN is connected or not. Make sure it's connected so you're protected. So if it's not, make sure you scan a QR code and you can get yourself one. Then you go to Rooms, Share, and join room. You're just going to type stores, okay? STORES. Click it, open it. Once you're in here, you've got a list of about 6, 7 stores, and these are all different app stores, okay? Some are official app stores, some are unofficial. Don't know who gets to class them as official or unofficial, but that's what they are. So you should find what you are looking for. Apptoid TV is very good for your apps, pretty much every kind of app. App which covers everything pretty much in your Google Play Store you'll find in Apptoid. It's actually bigger than the Google Play Store. Or Aurora Store, you can make yourself look like a different device, so you can get apps off the Google Play Store. And then the other ones here are kind of third-party app stores, so have a look through them, but I'm not going to download and install those for you. So just click it, it will prepare that download, and it will download that app onto your device. Follow the install instructions, and you can install it. Okay, now onto Downloader. If you want to do it on Downloader, open up your Downloader. Find it the same way. We've already done the settings for this. And with the Downloader layout, at the top, you will type, or in here, you will type 75726. Okay, this will go through to my website. And on my website, you'll be able to find the stores. We'll be able to filter out which ones are stores and which ones aren't. I will show you that now. So, Once on here, so we want to click on app downloads. It will load us through to the big downloads page, and here you've got the options. We will just pick app stores, and you'll have all the app stores here again. And again, you can just click and download. Obviously, if you clear the filter, there'll be other ones there for you to do. Icons are a little bit different on this one, so we'll click on Apptoid. There we go. And we click confirm, and that will download for us. No problem at all. Then you follow the install prompts again, same as you would have done when you were just using Firestick. So whichever version or way you decide to do it. I'll show you both ways now, because some want to moan about me using Firestick, some want to moan about me using Downloader. So I'll just show you both ways. And that's how you can get more app stores on your streaming device. Brilliant. Remember, docsquiffy.com/raffles for your raffles and your giveaways. We've got loads of devices on there. Check those out. Make sure you've got your VPN and stay safe. That's linked underneath, or you can get the link from the website. And I'll see you on the next one.